Hi everyone, my name is Ajit and I'm with the San Jose Public Library and welcome to video number 8 of Guitar Tutorial Series. In this video, we're going to be learning a guitar solo from the song Knocking on Heaven's Door by Guns N' Roses. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this solo, it's about 30 seconds long and we're going to be learning about half of it in this video, and then in the next video, video number 9, we're going to be finishing it and learning it how to play along with the track. And we're going to be playing this in standard tuning, which basically means we're playing it in the key of E major, and we're going to be tuning our strings just to their proper note where it's always been, because in the actual song the guitarists tune their guitars a half step down because they're playing it in a different key, but we're going to be playing it in the key of E major, so we're just going to be using standard tuning. Okay, and this solo should be fairly easy for you guys because it goes over techniques that we've already learned in the past videos. For example, hammer-ons, slides, pull-offs, bends, and all of that. So let's get into it. Okay, so to play this song, I recommend using a pick. It just makes everything easier, and it's kind of hard to play with your fingers. So yeah, you can use a pick. Okay, so anyway, so the first note that we're gonna play is the 12th fret on the 3rd string, like this. It's like this. And right after that, we're gonna take the 14th fret on the same string and then bend it up to the 6th string and bring it back down like this. So, and then after that, we're gonna hit the 12th fret again and then go to the 14th fret and then the 15th fret on the 2nd string. So what we learned so far is gonna be like this. And then after that, we're gonna do the same bend that we just did. So the 14th fret up to the 16th fret and down, like. And after that, we're gonna hit the 12th fret 2 times, except on the 2nd time, you're gonna let it ring a bit like this. So. So it's gonna sound like that, what we just learned. Okay, and now for the second part, we're gonna go down to the 14th fret of the 4th string right here. And then we're gonna go up to the 12th fret of the 3rd string. And then now we're gonna do a slide from the 15th fret of the 2nd string up to the 17th fret and then hit the 15th fret again, like. And now we're gonna hit the 13th fret and 12th fret of the 2nd string, like that. And then we're gonna bend the 13th fret up to the 15th fret and bring it back down. Or you could slide. I prefer to do a slide because it's a bit easier to bend than to bend, so it's gonna sound like this. And now we're gonna hit the 13th fret and the 12th fret and then the 13th fret and the 12th fret again, and then bring it back down to the 14th fret. Except when you hit the 12th fret the second time, you just let it ring a bit, so. And yeah, so that part is gonna sound like this. And there we go. So now the whole thing together is gonna sound like this. And yeah, there we go. So now I'm gonna play it along with the actual song so you guys can see how it sounds like. And basically what I searched up is Guns N' Roses Knocking on Heaven's Door standard tuning, and you're gonna get a couple of choices. You could choose any one of them, but mine's kind of just a video of, and it shows a picture of the cover of the album, and yeah, so the solo starts at around 127 of the song, but I'm just gonna let it play from 1 minute and 25 seconds, so you're gonna see how it sounds like. So it's gonna sound like this. And there we go. That's the small part that we just learned. We're going to be finishing up the solo in the next episode, and we could be able to play the whole first solo of this song. So that about wraps it up for today's video. We learned about a solo that is pretty simple and a good one to start off with, and you could eventually move to harder ones in the future. But I hope you learned something from this video. If you didn't, you might learn something from our future videos, so make sure to subscribe and watch out for those. And anyways, thanks for watching.